dirty this is. That wasn't even all of it. Hey everybody, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. I am next to my 2002 Subaru WRX Impreza, aka Scooby duh. And the reason why I'm doing this video today is because air conditioning's a little bit not so cool. And I asked the previous owner if he knew if a cabin filter has been changed, and I don't think he does. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it because I like to reset things. So when I do my own maintenance, I like to have it that I reset it. That way I know where it started off and know when to change things. So I think the manual, there's actually a manual for this, by the way. That's pretty old, but still there. It says every 7,500 miles, which is pretty frequent. I've never seen it that much, but usually the newer in-cabin filters, like for this car, it's about 10,000 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and change it anyways, because I'm gonna guess it's pretty dirty. And a couple symptoms you could have is maybe the air is a little bit musty. You can always do Lysol. The air could be, or the temperature or something might not be as cold maybe, or hot. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how dirty it is. Hopefully it's not. So the only tool you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, which I got right here. I'm going to do this video real quick, and hopefully it'll be quick, no mistakes, no problems, and much improvement. Let's go. Alright guys, so unlike other in-cabin air filters, they all have quirks. Usually it's in the glove compartment here, and you could just like access it by taking your crap out and then getting to and changing the filter. You literally have to take out the glove compartment, and it's behind the glove compartment. So that's what we're going to do first. We gotta attack this. So that is a cheap plastic screw right here. So that just pretty much pops out pretty quick. I think there's some stuff here. Here's the motor for the fan. So at least we know in the right area. So this one takes about a 45-degree angle, maybe 60. Lefty loosey to get out. That one came out pretty quick. There you go. Now it's hot. Summer's almost over and it's hot as hell. Okay. Screw here. Another screw here. Wow. One right here. Two here. Yep. Quick. This one. I'll put my leg here just in case it drops. Interesting. It's got a old sticker here. Can I yank at it? Yep. It's falling down. There's a wire, so you gotta be careful you don't bust this wire. This looks like a light. It's actually my foot there. Alright, I'm just gonna tilt the sucker. Okay. So, what do we get? We gotta get this out the way. Okay. This is the blower motor. Push that. Yep. Push this white thing down and it'll come out. Okay. Let's see how bad this guy is. So there's two tabs. And I can see. Yep. Just pull. That one's kind of sucky part. Ooh, watch out. You just scrape your hand. Airflow goes down. Okay, here's the moment of truth, how nasty it is. Maybe it's okay, let's see. So, okay, come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, this is kind of hard to get in. Ooh, oh, wow, okay. There's critters, not critters, but there's crap in there. There's your answer. Whew. Probably never done. Whew. Look at that crud. Ooh, shizzle. Get close. Yeah. Ooh. This is parked underneath the tree or something too, huh? Ooh, wow, okay. What's that? Woo! So let's get the Fresh Breeze guy from Fram. Clean Breeze, Hammer and Hammer. Yeah, this one's gonna be nice and grayish because it's not white because they use charcoal or whatever. I'm just trying to get the size. Okay, so it's about the right size. Yep. So we're good with that. Airflow downward, just like this nasty. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Woo-wee. So the moral of the story: clean your cabin filter. Okay, back. Stick it back in. Maybe like an accordion. Yep. Push it in. That's nice. Top first. Nice. Easy. Push that back. Okay. Okay. I don't know what that was. Start putting stuff back. So this screws. So the moral of the story is change your cabin filter, especially if you have a very old car, because you don't know how long it's been in there, and you might be the original owner or you might be the new owner. Definitely change it, okay? Because that was some nasty. All right, you can get that product in the description below, and if you don't have a WRX, you can look at other brands or other models, I should say, for the Fram Fresh Breeze with baking soda. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't, with the bell icon to get notices when you get newer videos. I really would appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. Ooh, that's dirty.